In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your experience to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're updating your profile with a new job or sharing past experiences, having a detailed record of your professional journey is crucial for networking and showcasing your skills to potential employers or collaborators. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your profile. Begin by clicking on your profile picture located at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. This is your gateway to accessing and editing the details that others will see when they land on your page. Once you click your photo, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal page where all your detailed career information is housed. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down to find the Experience section. This is where all your job information lives, and it's generally located towards the middle of your page. You'll see an area where previous roles might already be listed, showing a snapshot of your professional timeline. Next, it's time to add a new position. To do this, look for the plus button within the Experience section. Alternatively, you might need to click on Add Profile section, select Core, and then click on Add Position. This will open up a form where you can provide specifics about your role. Let's fill in the details now. Start by entering your job title. This is an important detail, so make sure it's accurate and reflective of your responsibilities. Following that, select your employment type, whether it's full-time, part-time, or perhaps an internship. These options help others understand your level of engagement within that particular role. Then, move on to entering the company name. As you type, LinkedIn will suggest existing company pages to link your experience to. This not only validates your employment, but also connects you to the organization's network. After that, fill in the location where you worked. This can often add context to your experience, especially if it involved international or remote work. Enter the dates of your employment, specifying a clear timeline of when you started and, if applicable, finished the role. If you're still in this position, be sure to check the I am currently employed in this role box to indicate your ongoing involvement. Next, we have the description. This is your opportunity to highlight your responsibilities and achievements in the role. Use action verbs to describe what you did, and back up your claims with numbers where possible. This might include things like percentage growths, number of projects handled, or sales figures that were achieved under your tenure. If applicable, add any relevant skills and showcase your work with the addition of media such as documents or images. This can provide a visual representation of your contributions and help illustrate your professional story more vividly. Finally, once all details are correctly entered, click Save to officially add this experience to your LinkedIn profile. This update is now visible to your network and can help strengthen your professional presence online. And that's how you add your experience to LinkedIn. Now go ahead and keep your profile up to date to leverage it for all your professional endeavors.